trying to delete Loom, but the option is buried under Atlassian and unpaid bills keep blocking you? Learn the exact 4-click path to permanently delete your account in under 2 minutes. Start in Personal Settings, then click Delete Atlassian Account, confirm with Delete Account, and clear any outstanding bills before retrying. Start by clicking on Personal Settings in your profile menu to get into your account options. Then, scroll down and click on Delete Atlassian Account to begin the removal process. Go ahead and click on Delete Account to confirm that you really want to proceed. Just be sure to settle any outstanding bills first. If you haven't, take care of them and then come back to try the deletion again. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.